Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can open your task manager with 5 easy and quick ways, then please watch this video and I'll guide you on how you can do that. So, let me show you what is a task manager first. Now, task manager is very important for your Windows because here you will know what are the background processes, the applications running on your window. On the left pane, you can also know your performance, especially your RAM, the CPU, the disk for your Wi-Fi. Also, you have the startup applications which you can disable if they are causing any issue on your Windows. And you can also click on the services. You can access the services and click on open services. So this is a very important feature of your Windows. So what are the quick and easy ways on how you can open the task manager? So let's get started. First is make a right click at the start button, and in the list of options right here, you can find Task Manager, Installed Apps, Mobility Center, Power Options, Event Viewer, System Device Manager, Network Connections, Disk Management, Computer Management, Terminal, Terminal Admin, and the Task Manager. So just click on that and then maximize that. And here you can access your Task Manager. That's the first method. Second method is right click on the taskbar and then you'll find two options, Task Manager and Taskbar Settings. Click on Task Manager and the same window will appear. Next method is through your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to access your Task Manager. So Control plus Shift plus Escape is very helpful, especially when your taskbar is not working. So you can just simply click your keys to access the Task Manager to fix some issues in your Windows. So that's the third way. Now, the next way is in the Windows search bar, you need to type here Task Manager. And that will appear under the best match. Then you just have to click on that once. And the same window will appear. And the last method is through the Run window by pressing the Windows key and R button together to open the Run window. Here you just need to type Task MGR. It's Task MGR and click on OK. And Task Manager window will appear. So those are the 5 quick and easy ways on how you can access or get into the task manager of your Windows, especially if you're going to fix some issues regarding about your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.